to Crafty Ames Workshop, and today we are going to discuss the products that I bought through Wish. I don't know if anybody's ordered through them. I've ordered through them a few times and so far so good. So this time I ordered a dress for a costume. So you're going to be able to see the opening of this dress. I also bought some other things and they're going to come in the mail later, but I'll show you the dress today. So this is the dress I ordered. It is the it says new women, fashion, vintage, style, women, medieval, dress, gothic dress, floor length, women, cosplay, dress, retro, long gown dress. And so that's what I got. And we are going to see if this is what it really looks like. So let's open it up. Okay, so to let you know what I'm supposed to be receiving other than the picture, it says it is an empire waistline. There's no decoration on it. The sleeve style is flare sleeve. The pattern type is patchwork. The style is vintage. Material is polyester. Season is autumn. The dress's length is the floor length. The neckline is supposed to be a square collar. Its silhouette is sheath. And the sleeve length is full. And let's see. You can get it in small, medium, large, extra large, and double X. Comes in black, green, navy, purple, white, and wine red. And it looks like many people are satisfied with it. Most people say that it fits just right. There are a few that say it's a little bit too big, and very, very few say too small. And I think that's all I can say about that. The amount that I paid for it was, so I paid $15 plus $8 shipping. And if other people order with you on Wish, then a lot of times they make the price go down. And also Wish also has a lot of coupons on their website. So if you can get signed up for it, it's really good. One thing I would mention about Wish is that you have to look at the delivery cost, the shipping, because they vary. It doesn't come from the same store. It comes from many different stores for different products. So, and they may be selling the same dress at a couple different stores. So you may want to just look and make sure you're getting the best product that you can get. And I think that's all I need to mention about that. I would recommend also looking at the reviews. Reviews are very important. A lot of people will put their pictures of what they received, and sometimes they get what they thought they were going to get, and sometimes they don't. So you really do need to look at that. Okay. So already I see, I thought I would have a gold rope. In my mind I was thinking gold. I know it did not say gold. I was just thinking gold. And it's a shiny fabric. That's what it's looking like. So this just looks like a regular rope. Nothing special about it, if you can see. So I may or may not use the same rope. We will see. Okay, let me back it up so y'all can see. I'm going to put it on my dummy and then you all can decide what you think. And then I didn't measure right with the string, so ignore that. But I think that is pretty close. If you can see it. So that's pretty good, I have to say. Let's go down on the floor and see what it looks like. Well, I think I'm gonna like this. I got exactly what I asked for. The only thing I'm noticing different is this is to me this shows it is a little bit fuller. I have ordered an underskirt to put under it to kind of push it out a little bit. So, and I think that's what will give it a little bit more flare on the bottom. So we will see. Once I get the whole thing together though, I'll take pictures and show you guys what that looks like. So let me give you some close-ups of what we're seeing here. So here's the waistline right there. So I could pick that up more. If it's on me, when it's on me, I could probably make it better. I could also put little things to hold it on there, or even just clothespins, or not clothespins, safety pins, and just on the inside and hold it on so that it doesn't move out of its position, because you know when you wear it and you're bending and stuff like that, it's going to be moving around. So you could use this rope, or you could use something else. You don't have to use that. But let me show you what it looks like up here. It looks pretty good. I'm kind of impressed by it. I was afraid, because some of the pictures I saw of what other people received, I was a little bit worried. But I think this actually turned out really well. And look how long those sleeves are. So I can't wait to try this on. But I just wanted to do a real quick video to show you the opening of this medieval dress. And I can't wait to show you all what I'm going to be putting with it. So, alright. If you guys have any questions about Wish, I've ordered a few things from them. I can show you some of the products I've gotten, and so that you can have a better idea of what you're getting into. You do have to pay shipping on each item. It's not just one-time ship, you know, if you're ordering multiple things, you have to pay shipping for each of those things. So it can get expensive in that way. But for the most part, I love it. What I don't like is sometimes, most of the time, there's not any quicker delivery, so you're waiting maybe 4 weeks, 6 weeks to get your product. So it does depend on the store that you're buying it through on Wish. So sometimes I do have one product that I ordered, and I was able to upgrade it to a faster delivery, and it did come right on time. And by the way, this came on the same exact day that they said it was going to be here, so that's pretty impressive as well. They do come from China. I think most of the stuff on Wish is from China. So like I said, it will take some time to get here for most of the products. So if any of you have questions, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think that this dress is pretty much like the picture, like I think it is, that's wonderful. Let me know what you guys think of this dress. And subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you all for supporting me. I love doing these videos. And I will see you next Thursday with something new. Love y'all. Bye.